and Queiroz creations will be drew on my make us say and penny for the Nakochia sports minister. Nyami Aduma, we are donko our Lisa Hotel. He start to meet the media now officially no. Ya unveiling the actually we are sending na now on also Tinimupa or war. Edema aye the Black Stars of Ghana. Ebra aye ko work happy. On also edia to Ghana in Central Fund so questions be dia. So etimi ebisa na sada me di kan no. Empenifo de na kwakochia the sports minister. Na ye omukwae no ye ni kantie minister. Omode coach ekoya so omode na kwakochia no. Minister adin samo kakra adi tudwa. Ye ntie bi na afi ye mfa ento aso.
All over as it himself. Many years of all over, as he told me himself. Many years of experience will now be put at the benefit of what? The great Black Star of Ghana. And so we are so lucky to have such an experienced coach, not just at the club level, but at the national level and at the World Cup stage. And so staff, senior and middle management level, I have the honor on behalf of all of us and the president of FA who earlier introduced him to me to present to you our new kid on the block, Queiroz.
Okay, and the sports minister, no. I say attack Ghana for your today because they say you're not coach or experience and your club level ebano national team level also penino I mean obi anim say Queiroz there or your world traveled so experience will be pa I mean ti ye de nyame ase say yenso no yenya coach bi say o guardian na nyame adoma world cup and so ebetimi abaso no ono edi anim na afei watimi adien akọ FA president Yero Ketekreku na ono nso awo dwumadi no ase yentie president ono nso nsama kakra odi tuja na afei yento aso.
We have a new coach. We thought it prudent to bring him home, to introduce him to all of you and to ask for your support because each one of you here do a lot of hard work behind the scenes before success is achieved on the pitch. So our mission here is very simple. He's part of us. He needs our support. He needs your support. And he needs all of us to continue working hard to make sure that we achieve success on the pitch for Mother Ghana. So on behalf of the team from the FA, we thank you for all the support over time, and we want to respectfully ask you to continue to offer us your support as we begin a new chapter with our new kid on the block.
Okay, and the FA president and a bomb come on. I see an antis na a simple and saying your coach Anna or Utuadu Jan crying. A sham boss said the coach for Baba. Yenumina betanase. Yendina ye be dinkomo. Ya agree say yankofa aye Queiroz Creers and Fanamra. Papa na ba bedru and hu behia say de no ebe champion fo nti sa no pemu hu dia ene nantis ya no coach no ne de ne ba be chia wo say oba aba bedru a ono so bebo adwuma e di ama the Black Stars of Ghana. Coach na nkasa Queiroz Creers ono so e de kakra de ka ho na abdafo so mrem na omunchoma dwen kakra emfa ho yinti Queiroz Creers.
To be part of the sport Ghana family, it's an honor and a privilege for me. Honor. I know probably most of you know that I have very strong African roots. I was born and raised in Africa, in Mozambique, so to lead this country, an African country, Ghana, during the World Cup, it's unforgettable memory in my life. So thank you very much. Thank you for your support. To be part of the sport family. If you allow me to say something, because I have a background also in sport and sports science, apart football, we have a major responsibility in our country because you guys are workers, builders of one special thing in the people, which is joy, happiness, and pride. No other minister have this responsibility to create entertainment and bring joy, happiness, and pride for the country. country, and that is not something that you can see, but is something that the people can feel. So good luck in your job. Thank you for your support, and to the future of Ghana. Thank you.
Okay, and Queiroz and so at the end of Noibra, FA president, a bon community, na sports minister, and so the car hono, and I say, and I sir, on Sunday, Oban Wabekuta at the Black Stars of Ghana. Now, said will be any no, Yawono, Africa, Mozambique, Edna, Yawono, into about the African gamer. Onimpa, na onim Black Stars na, Wabekuta no. Onim se same Pempenso team ne war, any baby, Ghana Nibiano, episode baby, Black Stars no. And so, I could do now no obey any responsibility. Say baby, Ghana Nibia, Pesa Ghana no, Black Stars do could do no. On so babwa ama yin na no akwakodo ntu oba obeye adwuma enso e di ama o my kronkron Ghana ara before kra don kone ensentrofo bi hia no what are your expectations?
First of all, refreshing to me who videos are koso and I see one man there and I am happy.
Man beno no
Zando Adam for Desmond affair. I don't know if you've paid critical attention. All the videos or posting Bibiano.
Desmond is there.
He seems to be around.
He's my man.
So okay, also no.
Hey, Desmond.
Okay, so
Giddy.
His image around probably may hint he may be part of Queiroz and the backroom staff. Just an observation. The Ecoson of Pawino, playing to the gallery. And she was Ecoso. Of course, a buying the national team coaches car. A buying a national team yomodia in trust of the whole citizen. Inti ye into Mamufono, a national team near the a buying and a general name Ecoso. Na ono so aponi 2 minutes hu bi di ama GF na omo di running national team na maye nti eto asum say if the national team coach are go through a process of collaboration in kabom between the FA and yen through aban say oba no obeduru a o de ne be company for omo mutua ne ka ho na o de na kochia na empanyimfo amano akwaba se waba enti sending Queiroz to the ministries to meet Kofi Adams and all those pageantry ne normal e wo hu ni nyina no eye normal eye traditional se e wo se amamre na ye di so. Rich, the bigger issue eye the abakoso awia when oshia in some trouble na yenini di anobabaye ni yenini di nkomo na okani timu po ekire yen na through as the media no Ghana timamufo anya senior coach no oba ye ni dwumadie ni de oba ba ye de amayen me were 3 levels of expectations and sakaminya kunya ananka menya restricted to ask one questioner and these expectations met me acquainting into questions and mebusa. Number 1. Rich own situation now blasters home no. Tima ain't me qualify anko AFCON, which is the fundamental requirement of the blasters and the from cry ye intimi anye. Se uwe team no bobre se ne da ho na eye team a broni beka se eye in transition. Na team no there were some old people be na team ni gina omo na so. Enyini ane nature ntino sankofo no kakra every team ni makwa. Ye hu ni mu se team no enkofo foforo ana team ni ba be gi omo na so. That is a simple explanation of transition. And the blasters are moving from a certain core people as players to a different setter. After na year building omodi team no ejina omonaso. Number 3. Through sa transition na no. Ayenti mi qualify anko AFCON no your previous tournament ayako any friendly matches ayabo any sound of money akra edi adanse say the team is not at the right place. Then within that pieces of struggle to find our feet, we are able to qualify for the World Cup. Now, sad situation, you know. Nam World Cup preparation anymore. Then boom, Yako Europe. Lose to Austria, lose to Germany. Then the head coach. Our dear nam sad situation in the story, no. Ya permanent. Now, less than 3 months to the World Cup. A team in transition, a team that failed his minimum requirements, a team that is not doing well with the matches, a team that is struggling to prepare for the world stage, has sacked the leader. Rich, my first question to Queiroz and I say, yes, our assessment, of the Blasters. Now, only Jitum said that is the state of the Blasters and Korea Mabos here. A dear and motivate, to come into such a difficult situation.
Create a ball for any game to World Cup.
Yes,
I know.
So, on Wolves. No, be second junior.
Okay.
You will play Mexico. There are even plans to add another friendly.
That's fine.
My first question would have been to Queiroz. Say, Ucho Blasters in Funyinia. It is not an ideal situation anybody on pen and wasam will want to walk into. Me, I sure see a pomo auto no. Rich, there were some other big coaches who would have seen there's an opportunity to go to the World Cup. But after on any team analysis now, this baby Blasters no one else. No, me family team ko jachana mawe. Enti a day in a motivate Queiroz to do the analysis of the Blasters. Ejitum say it is a difficult grounds today.
Also a mission.
But still now, Ejitum say obeba. Me say what really?
No Ghana no but a mission the man.
I want better
to explain
explanation to it.
I understand.
Me say me share and me once he gives me the reason. Then I will know na kumem any say no Philippines awaba. Number 2, Rich. Jumedi na awaba mention. Say ojitum per the face of it say enya hongono so wa am at the right time. There. Then that is the reason why even the GFA spokesperson is struggling to tell us the targets they can give him. And I would have wished to ask Queiroz, say, situation now about Jiatum so near which is a difficult one. Targets bang and I was setting their money for this Blasters in this state at the World Cup. So that it will inform me. Material for my heart for every Ghanaian the kind of expectation I ever need to World Cup. Because the situation should inform you about the targets. Because I am Shekrano, a school for not catching and say every target must be measurable and achievable and all those things. And say be measurable, be achievable. I just would you to the state of womb now they are setting one target or be able to target a realistic.
Very bad state.
Yes, intiminya
Black Stars, yes, they be a result in Nhyira. Bankwenya Queiroz be not in the World Cup. And target Anya Shikra
should be at least
116 to be. But Babas in Intimate.
We say on him commodia with behind the scenes, no. On country. Because it seems the state of the Blasters in Impo, I'm an day for the FA communication to even tell us the target they want to give to him and to Onwa Kasankasa. In his fair mind, with the assessment of the Blasters, what they inheriting. Every Ghanaian expectations is within his mouth. I want to know. I want in some of the can emu. On country, young prepare your saying, near Ferdinand Chinko or Capra. See at TV a chao. Say a co-farm pubs aqua show. See you took be aqua boche any blasters aqua show. Onunun country. Akoma ben yefeni blasters nechi. Expectation ben and yefeni blaster. What is his personal target for this World Cup? The last one. The last one is a combination of the two. If you know the state, na unim target awaseti ama then the simple question, how? What about team no level A? Informing we say any side or targets, be targets I. So with the team level and your target, how are you going to do it? Rich, so our blasters is here where it looks like a team any elite mentality. It looks like a team and should need a lot of star players. It looks like a team that is still rebuilding. It looks like a team that doesn't really know the partnerships. It looks like a team that don't have a pattern yet. We are still struggling to find patterns. It looks like a team at Rich. Bonibeka say a break of every fundamental thing. Amaya say team be ready for a stage be say World Cup. Blasters team way away. That is the reality. So how is he going to do it within this short time? A day no babe with a menu sir. So how do you? Ne formula na yedien. Formula na yedien.
Because in June no, Obo was about Mexico. The same June what company started.
And unium the who cry say by the 1st of June you should not only submit a 55 provisional, you should submit your final squad for the World Cup. It me say me busa Carlos could say Otia say the states one me who the target within that short time.
How?
What is the formula? Is it purely on I will work on the mentality? Because say if they get their mentality right, I want to hear the basis for me to build way. And now say or did say Ebia in the past you have fed the right players. Or no one team a certain players here they can just come in and lock positions. Papa. We are already on the path to. I want to know his formula.
Yeah, you know, say, Central from Benya opportunity, Abeko Alisa Hotel, no, or ask these questions. Na eti the response of every coach, you know, about Dr. Bakus. I the message abana, me say mo na yen fenche ho. Enfamro say Ghana has brought in an experienced coach. Let's see how the result unfold. It is not always about experience, opportunity, and exposure. Often play an equally important role in shaping success. Dr. Bakus and Odessa message at the Abba. Josh.
Rich, and then yeah, we are all expecting say Carlos Queiroz near arrival no. At least in some of the under the press conference and then in questions in Central for Baby Son we will get some clarity on the whole project for the World Cup.
Sure.
On say ne time no just a very short term contract.
Very short.
4 months. And teenage man has started at that. But like Ayala Ekan, we want to see a lot of. He needs to give us ideas. Now, me pesa me kasa baby because I know that right after the press conference, no, some things will become very clear to us and to the whole nation. Senebe ya expectation, no, like we keep on saying, we will measure it well because Carlos Queiroz is a big name, no doubt. But the team is a team that is under pressure.
And Sanamun Kokanjan on quarter final.
Debbie. I don't think
Black Stars will end in quarter final.
Which is why I believe say communication director
managing expectations.
Of course, definitely.
Coach leader is a very good coach.
Yeah.
But your team say team
yeah.
So na kakra.
Yeah. But how he will steer the ship no. Good. Itieneno we are all waiting.
Okay.
Itieneno eno na metimi akaba.
What expectations na infantry homra?
Time, mommy. All I will say is that I think at the end of the day, Nhyira as Ghanaians, Yema Carlos Queiroz, the enabling environment to work. You see, and we are all talking about experience, but the results don't come after 2 weeks. So me bana me be adwuma senya me pen na, always making sure I look at facts and not follow what everybody else is saying outside. Because Fiifi defending Carlos Queiroz, but I'm not sure I'll meet him, and I don't want to meet him. We have a peculiar problem. Your team is in a bad place. Yen winning World Cup. Yen winning the next whatever it is. The plan is to build a team. And as a Carlos Queiroz, I expect that by now the media team or no kita, and of course that of the GFA would have aligned him. So Magana Frontiers yet through his trough was say, your team needs me because you World Cup, quarter final crown share by your ding. But in the long term, see it's me banning a long-term successor, long-term contractor. You will build a team that will win us back the African Cup of Nations or compete better there. Because all of these things don't happen by just snapping of the finger. Everything takes time. You fancy a team say, when the tough times come, because they will come. Forget Carlos Queiroz's experience. Forget where he has been. Forget the players he has coached. Ghana will present to him a peculiar problem. Peculiar to Ghana alone. Where he would have to be innovative, smart to find the reasons. Edruwa, when your mama say, obi na picking the players na mano, your pesadi ene. When the time comes, we should look at it holistically. And Carlos Queiroz, his experience and whatnot. But we should analyze the situation day by day and make sure you ni drew baby a person born you do. And when Nemeka ask me opinion.
Bassett Abdul Zuman Kanjo is a Ghana co-final. Amen. Amen. Yena ya wish no. Senka sanya he yako Aisarabika 2010. Yako quarter final. So enye bibi na ya call seminar. Area ye bianka bananke a different story. Jena empa no. But the reality is that the Black Stars are minu na enim to be very, very, very difficult. Though we have an experienced coach, I mean, a Jumano world traveled, but adding to make a Ghana Nibiano and managing expectations. So, we say Carlos goes a bit me a Jumano, but as a man of time, this is a command pressure be being not sitting now on WWE. In Yabutre, I think your man about in Yabutre the mana, obit me a Jumano. All right, you may try na yaba, yaba told me.